Is your power steering warning light staying on or flashing every time you start your vehicle? Before replacing expensive parts, there are several reset methods you should try first. In this video, I'll show you 10 proven reset methods, starting with the most advanced and ending with the easiest one. Let's get started. Reset method number 10 is the EPS control module reset. Many modern vehicles allow the electronic power steering control module to be reset using a professional bidirectional scan tool. This procedure clears stored faults and performs a system relearn after repairs or component replacement. Reset method number 9 is steering angle sensor calibration. If the steering angle sensor loses its calibration, the EPS warning light may remain on. Performing a steering angle sensor relearn with a compatible scan tool often restores normal operation. Reset method. Number 8 is using an OBD2 scanner. Read every stored EPS fault code. Repair the actual problem, then clear the codes. Clearing the warning light without fixing the root cause usually means it will come back. Reset method number 7 is updating the EPS software. Some manufacturers release software updates to improve steering performance and eliminate false warning lights. Check whether your vehicle has an available update. Reset method number 6 is the torque sensor relearn. Some vehicles require this procedure after replacing the steering rack, torque sensor, or EPS motor. A proper relearn helps the steering system calculate steering input correctly. Reset method number 5 is a battery disconnect reset. Turn the engine off, disconnect the negative battery terminal, wait 10 to 15 minutes, reconnect everything securely, and restart the vehicle. Temporary electronic faults may disappear after this reset. Reset method number 4 is checking the battery voltage. A weak battery or failing alternator can cause the electronic power steering system to malfunction. Make sure the charging system is operating correctly before replacing any steering components. Reset method. Number 3 is inspecting the EPS fuse and relay. A blown fuse or faulty relay can interrupt power to the steering system and trigger the warning light. Replace damaged components with the correct specifications. Reset method number 2 is the lock-to-lock steering reset. With the engine running and the vehicle safely parked, turn the steering wheel fully left, then fully right, and finally return it to the center. Some vehicles automatically recalibrate the steering system using this method. Reset method. Number 1 is the easiest and quickest method. Turn the engine off completely, wait about 30 seconds, then restart the vehicle. During startup, the electronic power steering system performs a self-check, and temporary faults may clear automatically. If none of these reset methods work, the warning light is likely being caused by a real electrical or mechanical fault that requires proper diagnosis. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more automotive repair guides. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.